Welcome. TCS share news today is Macquarie Brokerage has given an outperform target, highs 27% share price gain. But the irony is today it is falling by 3% after the ratings. And we will see what will be the low TCS share price target. We will come to know. Now we can come to know the technical analysis. TCS share price just now it is trying to come down and fill the gap line at 4307. What are all the breakdown targets that we will see now? Below there is a heavy demand zone. So if TCS share price may fill the gap line, then bounce back, or it may come below the gap line, it may come and target the heavy demand zone. If TCS share price break down below the heavy demand zone, it should not happen. There must be a bounce back. Still, it may come down and target the demand zone 1, and below demand zone 1, TCS share price closes, then it may target the demand zone 2. Below there is major demand zone. When you have to make an entry in TCS share, that I will explain. Only if there is a bounce back from any demand zones, you can enter that with example, live example. I will tell later on. So that will be very useful for you. So please subscribe and like without fail. I am not compelling you, but I know definitely you will come again and refer my levels because these are all 94% success rate in supply and demand concept. Definitely you will have a 94% success rate. Welcome to GB Investor Zone. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely educational purpose video only. These are all the benefits watching my channel. No indicators secure. Previously I also traded with indicators, but lot of losses. Now my losses has been reduced, only profit, and the number of trades is reduced. Now we will see the breakout and TCS share analysis. With dividend also we will come to know what is the share price target. We will come to know. First, TCS share it should bounce back above the reversal line and it should give a one-day close. There you can see a strong supply zone. Whenever strong supply zone comes, any share price will be roaming around there. Above you can see one-day trend line. Actually just now today the one-day trend line got broken, breakdown happened, and above you can see the one-day downward trend line also. It is the convergence supply zone 1, one-day bullish trend line, and downward one-day trend line bearish. Everything is converging there, so it may take time to break out. If at all it breaks out supply zone 1 and these trend lines, you can see there's a stop loss hunting bear line. Stop loss hunting bear line you can see in my previous data power those videos also. It will be lot of sell orders placed and it will hunt your money. If there is a breakout with big candle and strong volume, it may target the all-time high. So what will be the next high? What will be the next high? When it will happen, that we will come to know now. So next it may target here at around 4,760 level. If there is a big candle and strong breakout above all-time high at 4591, it will target 4760. So now, but how to make an entry, that I will tell with example. If there is a big candle and strong volume above the supply zone 1, then you can make an entry provided the reversal line one-day close has to be given. Now live example how to make entry exit. Live example I will give. You can see this is the bank nifty call I gave. It went up to the supply zone, strong supply zone 1. You can see wick form came down. Again it tried at 2. Wick form came down. Again 3 also you can see. So another example, once a supply zone is there, you have to be very careful. This is the KTM share I gave on 31st. What happened, you can see 2-3 days it took demand zone, support at my demand zone 1. Then you can see after 3 days on 9, 2, you can see wick form, gap up, and it went up to the heavy supply zone, unable to cross my heavy supply zone. 3, you can see 3. Next day on 10, gap up happened, but still there was resistance at my supply zone 1. From there it came down 4, you can see. So this is the power of supply and demand. So now here prediction tomorrow means maybe tomorrow Federal American Reserve rate cut decision is there. If there is a breakout above the supply zone and the trend lines, definitely it will be bullish and it will target new high. Otherwise it may count down tomorrow prediction. If there is a negative result Federal Reserve America, then it may fall up to my major demand zone. Please subscribe